Students, good evening. Today I am with a new question on the topic coordinate geometry. So in the coordinate geometry, the question is in the last video I told you about the distance between the 2 points, that is AB or PQ. The points may be any ABCD of English alphabet. So determine if the points this 1 comma 5 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 11 are collinear. First of all, we have to understand the that is collinear. What is the collinear? Collinear. Linear means in a same line. The points, for example, see this point, this point, this point, this point. These all points are on the same line. This point A, this point B, this point C, D and D. These all are on the same line, so they are called the collinear points. They cannot form a triangle. And if the distance between the 2 points, sum of the distance between the 2 points, and that is greater not equal to the third, so it will be collinear point. If the distance is equal, then it will be a triangle. So students, for that let us try to solve this. We suppose solution number 2, we suppose it will have a point A, that is 1 comma, let I will write let A be a point that is 1 comma 5, B will be another point that is 2 comma 3 and C will be another point that is minus 2 comma minus 11. These are the 2 points that I supposed as A, B, C. So we have to find the distance between AB, BC and AC. Okay, so for AB I will apply the formula, that is distance formula. For distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square. Here our x2, we are taking these two, so x2 is this and x1 is this, y2 is this and y1 is 5. This x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay students, so apply the formula that x2 2 minus x1, that is 1 whole square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 whole square. So we solve it, we will get 2 minus 1, I will keep under root 1 square plus 3 minus 5, we will get minus 2 whole square. Now it will be 1 square, you know very well, that is square of 1. It means this power denotes that you multiply that number itself by this times, that is 2 times. If power is 2, then you multiply this number 1 2 times, that is 1 into 1. If the power is 3, then you have to multiply 3 times, that is 1 into 1 into 1. If you multiply 1 and number of time, you will get the same answer, that is 1. So we write here 1 and minus 2. This minus get multiplied first, that is 2 times. Minus minus plus and 2 2 ja 4. So you add these two, you will get root 5. So the value of AB is root 5. This is very our one thing. And we have to find BC also. We have to find BC. For BC, see, our x1 is 2, x2 is minus 2, y1 is 3 and y2 is minus 11. So we have to find BC. BC equal to, again I have write the distance formula here, x2 minus 2 and x1 minus formula, this is a formula minus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2, that is minus 11 and minus y1, that is 3 whole square. So students, I will solve it. You can see minus minus plus, it will be 2 to 4 and minus 4 whole square. Why minus 4? The greater number is minus. And plus minus 11 and minus 3, minus minus plus, it will be 14 but minus 14. So square, and it will be 4 4 ja 16 plus 14, square of 14 we get 196. 196, or you can multiply 14 by 14, so you will get 196. Now I will add 6 and 6, it will be 12, that is 2, carry 1 10, 10 and 1 how much, 11, carry 1, it will be 212. So I can do the factor of 212. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10, 2 3 ja 6. Now I can write this as 2 into 2 into 53. It will be, this 2 will square and into 53. This 2 will come out and under root 53 will remain. So this is our BC. This is our BC that we need in the last. So I will find now AC. What I will find? I will find AC. Okay. We found AB root 5. AB is root 5. I will write in corner, that is AB equal to root 5 that we found earlier, and BC equal to 2 root 53. Again we have to find AC. AC equal to under root what, x2. x2 is minus 2 and minus 1 whole square plus y2. y2 is minus 11 and y1 is 5 whole square. Okay, so minus minus plus, again minus 3 whole square plus minus 16 whole square, and I will keep under root. 3 3 ja 9, minus minus plus 16. So students, one very simple way of finding the square, you write like this, and 6 6 ja 36, 1 1 ja 1, and multiply this 1 into 6. 1 6 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. Left this one digit and write 12 here. 6 5 256. You will get 256. So 2 5 6 and under this. Now I add 256 plus 9. How much? You will get 265. 265. So we have to find the factors of that 265. You can divide by 5 or 3. No, it will not divide with 3. 3 is 24. No. 5 is 25. 5 3 is 15. But again the same problem, you will not get any number out. So it will be 265. AC is 265. These three things we need, that AB equal to root 5, BC equal to 2 root 53, and AC equal to 265. So if AB equal to BC plus AC, then the points will not be collinear. But here AB is what? Root 5. AB is root 5 equal to BC is 2 root 53. 2 root 53 plus AC is how much? 265. The sum of these two is not equal to sum of root 5. So here we can write AB is not equal to BC plus AC. Or or similar way you can write BC is not equal to AB plus AC. AB plus AC. Similarly, AC is not equal to AB plus BC. Okay. So students, from here we can conclude that the point 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are not collinear points. What we concluded? We concluded that points 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are not collinear. This is our answer. Students, we have to determine here either the points are collinear or not collinear. So we found that sum of the two sides is not equal to the other third side, so the points are not collinear. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.